Welcome to this hypnotic relaxation, which has been designed to help your body, especially lungs, to heal from any disease or discomfort. Lie down, and you should not be disturbed for next 10 minutes. It is advised to use headphones for optimized effects. It will help you to absorb all suggestions at your subconscious level. Listen to this for at least 3 weeks regularly for developing an extremely optimistic approach towards your strong and healthy body. Close your eyes and focus on your breathing. Let this breathing be deep and slow. As you inhale through your nose, let your abdomen come out. Exhale through mouth and let your abdomen go in. This is called diaphragmatic breathing. Continue breathing in this way with the music. Breathe in through nose, abdomen out. Breathe out through mouth, abdomen in. Breathe in, abdomen out. Breathe out, abdomen in. Breathe in through nose, abdomen out. Breathe out through mouth, abdomen in. Breathe in, abdomen out. Breathe out, abdomen in. As you do this breathing, you did start getting calm, more relaxed. You are now at peace. You are comfortable. You are at peace. Relax. Now focus on your lungs. Watch the air you breathe in. It is going deeper and deeper into both lungs. Talk to your lungs. Your lungs will talk to you. Your lungs will respond to your talk. Tell your lungs, you are healing. Tell your lungs, you are getting better. Tell your lungs, you are working with your best of the efficiency. Tell your lungs, you are getting free from any illness or disease. You are getting happier and happier. Happy lungs talk back to you. Your whole body is now getting surrounded by a very pure blue light. This light is entering into your body from the top of your head. It is covering your entire body, and it is going deep inside, deep into every tissue. This healing blue light is now entering into your lungs. It is cleansing both the lungs to the deepest. Every portion of the lung is getting cleaned. It is getting rejuvenated. Both the lungs are getting happier and happier. They are getting free from any infection or illness. This blue light is healing your entire body. You are feeling better and better. Your healing power is super strong to fight against any illness. You are strong. You are healthy. You are beautiful. You will wake up as I count from 1 to 5. 1. You are feeling good. 2. You feel the blue light merging in every cell of your body. 3. Open your eyes slowly. 4. You are awake. 5. You are healthy, strong, and beautiful. You are wide awake. Be happy and appreciate your efforts towards a super strong, healthy body. Wish you a fantastic health and a happy, long life.